And it is so important to have a great tuner. When you're doing all kinds of guitar work, you want the best. If you're doing intonation work or if you're just doing anything, you want to make sure you have a perfect tuner. Let's check this thing out.
It will go right on a pedal board. It has a mute switch. It also has a plus and minus switch over here and a menu switch over here. And it changes different things. So you can see right now it's got the sweetener for the guitar, settings menu, and if you click on the menu and then you scroll through this side, it'll change the colors, and it'll also change, that's the bass sweetener. So if you're tuning a bass, but that's the sweetener you use if you're tuning guitars. And here, I'll just...
Boy, look at that, just dialing it in.
So this is awesome for when you're doing intonation.
So it mutes it when you're on stage live.
Right. And like I said, you can go through here, and it's got a ton of different sweeteners, and you can read what all the different letters mean. I'm usually doing guitars or basses, so that's why I keep it on a uke for ukuleles. And you can change those colors to be what you want.
Deadly accurate tuner. Peterson just makes quality stuff. Really nice, solid metal case on here. All kinds of options and features on here. The bright light on there, so no doubt you can see it on stage. Good stuff. Peterson StroboStomp.